Gobo, are you really gonna go out there and look for a letter from your uncle?
I guess.
Oh.
That's why we came.
Be careful!
Well, here, Sprocket, here. Give it a try. Might help you think of a name for the thing. Now look what you've done. It went right into this hole in the wall. We've lost a perfectly good whatchamacallit down this dumb hole. Sprocket, let's board it up right now. That's it. Now get a hammer and some nails. Yeah. Attaboy. This should solve the problem.
Won't solve mine.
There we go.
It'll be okay. Wimbley won't desert me. He'll go for help. Why, he'll go down to Fraggle Rock and he'll find Mokey and Boober and Red. My friends will save me.
And I had to stand there and watch while they nailed the opening shut.
Why, when the gang hears what's happened to me, they'll devise a plan to rescue me. They'll know what to do.
Well, there's only one thing we can do. Sing about it.
Buckets of woe and gushers of sorrow.
Waste paper baskets of heartache with a sorry tomorrow.
So follow and swallow and wallow in more woe.
I feel so bad.
Feel so bad.